You may have heard the term epoxy grout being used recently, and there's plenty of reason why it's creating buzz. It's virtually stain-proof, easy to clean, and less likely to crack.
Most grouts are cement-based and by nature absorb water, which is why they can stain, discolour and crack.
Epoxy grouts are high-performance grouts that are made from epoxy resins and filler powder that make them highly durable.
Although epoxy grouts are designed for situations that require strict standards of hygiene, such as in hospitals, or chemical or physical resistance, such as around pools, increasingly we're seeing this type of grout used in residential areas, particularly for kitchen splashbacks or in showers.
While earlier versions of epoxy grout were difficult to work with and only had limited colour options, ARDEX are changing that with EG15. It's easier to work with and there are plenty of colour options available, including light, mid and dark grey.
Imagine never having to worry about mould, stain or discoloration in showers, or oil and tomato stains on your kitchen splashback. This is when you'd ask your tiler to use an epoxy grout. You should know that this product, being a high performance product, is more expensive, but do it once and do it right.
I hope this quick video on selecting the right grout has been helpful. You can find loads more information on the ARDEX website, including that grout visualizer tool.